Hi, my name is Laurel. I'm one of the reference librarians at the Bellwood Public Library. One of the things that patrons often ask me when I'm sitting at the reference desk is, how can I get a power of attorney form? Well, instead of Googling that, I can find that right on the Bellwood Library website. So what I would do is go up to the tab that says Online Resources and click that first. So when I do that, I will look through the list under Featured Databases and find our database called NuWav Legal Forms. Now, I'm already logged in, but if you were a patron logging in for the first time, you would have to enter your library card number first. So here you see many of the documents that we have available for your use. So because I'm looking for power of attorney, I am going to look under Estate Planning, Power of Attorney. Now, some of the forms that people often request are either the Healthcare Power of Attorney or the General Durable Power of Attorney form. These are the two most common forms that people are looking for. Property Power of Attorney is something that's used if you are going to be taking over the financial affairs for someone who is not able to handle them. So let's go ahead and take a look at this General Durable Power of Attorney form. In order to see what this all involves, you can click the Preview tab right up here at the top. And what this will do is it will show you some of the things and the provisions that are involved in this power of attorney. This is basically a form that's used when you are going to be taking over the financial affairs for someone who is perhaps a parent who's maybe in a retirement home and is just unable to handle their affairs. So you can either fill this out online, and then you can go ahead and fill it out, and then you can print it out as a completed form, or if you prefer, and many people choose this option, they prefer to click and find a blank PDF or either a blank Word document that they can download and either fill in with a pen or they can type and print it out as a completed form. So that's one type of durable power of attorney. Another one that people often ask for is the limited power of attorney. And this one, again, is something that is used for a very short term. Let's say somebody is in the hospital and they're going to be there for an extended period of time, but not indefinitely. And so they're not able to take care of some of their affairs. And so this would be something that is granted for a shorter period of time, and then it's terminated on a certain date. So this is another form that people often request. And again, you have the same options. You can type it out online, or you can download it as a printable form that you can either fill out with your word processor or with a pen. So there are other forms on this database that I think are helpful as well, besides power of attorney, as I mentioned. People often ask for different real estate forms. If you're either a tenant or a landlord, are the most common. These two categories are the most common forms that we are asked for. So I invite you to take a look at this great database. All these forms are for Illinois, the state of Illinois. And then as a reminder, the librarians, although we can be very helpful in helping you choose a form, we are not attorneys, and so we cannot help you fill out your form. Some things do require the action of an attorney. So I hope this has been helpful for you today, and I invite you to come and explore our NuWav Legal Forms database. Thank you.